if you have good notes and you're a good fisherman, you'll never get these wrong, but many of you, I guess there's times when people think they're good fishermen and they're not. In other words, I think people believe they can rely on their memory, and they believe incorrectly, and then they wonder why they get them wrong when they didn't check the fishing or the scouting report beforehand. Today, we did this in 5th grade, so this is not something that you have not done before. We are looking at classifying triangles, which means naming them based on their characteristics. And there's two different things that we can do to name triangles. We can either name them based on their angles, or we can classify them based on their sides. And if you remember, there are three different types of triangles that you can have when you compare or look at their angles. One of them is a pretty simple one. That is if you have a triangle that has a right angle in it. By the way, why can you never have more than one right angle in a triangle? Anybody know what reason that would be, Brianna?
It wouldn't be a triangle.
Yes, but why wouldn't it? Jaden?
If two sides had it, they were never.
That's true, they make parallel lines. One simple fact about triangle is a triangle has to have 180 degrees inside of it. And the problem with having more than one right angle, now if you have two right angles, you've got 180 degrees already and you don't have any degrees left for the third angle. Okay, so the three angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees and if you have two right angles. So anybody care to speculate what the name of a triangle that has a right angle in it? It's very creative, whoever thought of it. Jules?
All right.
It is, believe it or not, a right triangle. Has one right angle. Then we've got a triangle that has one angle bigger than a right angle. And you can only have one angle bigger than a right triangle. Anybody know what we call that? It's called because of this angle right here, that big angle. That one, Jenny, is?
Obtuse.
Very good. See how good we are? This is an obtuse triangle. It has one obtuse angle. And then the last one, ladies, gentlemen, and kids of all ages, would be Riley.
Isosceles.
That is one based on its size. Good try there.
Oh.
Brianna?
Acute.
Yeah. Any triangle that's made up of three acute angles is called an acute triangle. All angles have to be acute. So we've got obtuse, right, and acute. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the time you've all been waiting for. Based on its sides, and there's three different things that you can have with triangles. You can have a triangle that has no sides equal, no equal sides. You can have a triangle that has two equal sides. And I told you this before, if you ever want to, I mean, it's hard to draw a freehand triangle with two equal sides. But if you want to show that you meant for those sides to be equal, just put one slash in each one. And that's a mathematical way to say those two sides are equal. Two equal sides. And of course, the last one is a triangle that has all three equal sides. All equal. Now, those aren't their names, that's just their characteristics. What are their names? How about the one that has absolutely no equal sides? Keith Stewart is a... Oh, even after learning this in 5th grade. Riley? Uh-oh.
I remember the other two.
Carol Wickman.
Scaling.
It is. This is a scalene triangle. No equal sides is scalene. Two equal sides then would be Jaden,
An isosceles triangle.
isosceles triangle. It has two equal sides. And the last one is Isabel.
Equilateral.
Equilateral. Equilateral. And another just big fact to know, in an equilateral triangle, not only are all the sides equal, but all of the angles are equal. And if a triangle has all equal sides, and triangles always add up to 180 degrees, every angle in an equilateral triangle will be, Keith Stewart?
6 degrees.
Correct, 60 degrees. Each angle is 60 degrees. Isosceles triangles you don't know because it could be different, but one truth about an isosceles triangle is that the angles opposite the sides that are equal are also equal. Kind of looks like a face, but doesn't. So if this angle was 70 degrees, that angle would also be 70 degrees, which means that angle up there would have to be 50 degrees. Was that what you read? Yeah. Again, these are not difficult things. They might ask you questions like this. True or false? An equilateral triangle is also an acute triangle. True or false? An equilateral triangle is also an acute triangle. True or false? True?
False.
What did I just say about equilateral triangles? Equilateral triangles, no matter how big they are, have to have three 60-degree sides. Yeah, so there's no way you can draw an equilateral triangle that doesn't have all acute angles in it. Some of it's a little thinking there. Or this one, all acute triangles are equilateral triangles. True or false? Can you draw an acute triangle that is not an equilateral triangle? Maybe a case in point would be this one. Is that not an acute triangle? Is it an equilateral one? So that's false. Very